Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're asking a question that's on a lot of creative minds. Is getting an Adobe certification actually the ultimate key to boosting your career? I mean, in a world that's all about your portfolio, how do you prove you've got the hardcore technical skills to back up all that amazing style? Let's dive in. So this quote from a hiring manager on Reddit, it really just hits the nail on the head. Your portfolio can be absolutely gorgeous, showing what you can do, but it doesn't show how you do it. Are your files a total mess? Are you fast? Do you use professional techniques that don't destroy your original work? These are the things that employers are secretly wondering about. And that right there is the big dilemma, isn't it? How do you show a potential boss that you're not just a creative genius, but you also have a solid professional workflow? Well, it turns out there is an official way to do exactly that, and frankly, it's becoming a real game changer. All right, let's get right into the heart of it. Before we even talk about whether it's worth it, we got to understand what this thing actually is. Okay, so this is the Adobe Certified Professional, or ACP for short. Now, the big thing to know is that Adobe specifically designed this to prove you have real-world skills. This isn't some dusty academic test about theory. It's all about proving you can handle the kind of tasks you'd get on day one of a new creative job. And this is what makes it so different. The exam isn't just a pop quiz. A huge part of it happens inside the actual Adobe software. Yeah, you'll literally be asked to do things like properly retouch a photo in Photoshop or edit a sequence in Premiere. You're proving you can do the work, for real, with the clock ticking. And you should think of the ACP as just the first step. It's the beginning of a clear path where you can level up your credentials as you get better and better, from professional to expert, and then all the way to master, which basically signals that you're a true veteran in the industry. So, let's cut to the chase. Does all this effort actually help your career? Does it make a real difference? Let's take a look at the data. That number is, well, it's huge. Think about it for a second. 3 out of every 4 hiring managers see a certification and think, okay, this person knows their stuff. It's like a trusted shortcut for them to see you've got the technical skills and the problem-solving mindset they're looking for. And this is where you can really see the financial side of things. Now, while the ACP is that entry point, the average salary for an Adobe certified expert, that's the next level up, is a cool $72,000. It shows there's a clear path where proving your skills can directly lead to earning more money. And you see this trend pretty much everywhere you look. People with certifications, on average, just get offered higher starting salaries. It gives you a really solid leg to stand on, and frankly, a lot more power when you're negotiating your pay. Okay, so now for the main event, the big debate. In a world where the portfolio has always been king, where does a certificate even fit in? Here's the most important thing to get. They're not in competition with each other. They actually do 2 totally different but equally important jobs. Your portfolio, that's your soul. It's your unique style, your creative voice. The certification, that's the objective proof that you know the tools of your trade inside and out. This quote just explains the difference perfectly. A portfolio might show a stunning final image, but it doesn't show how you got there. Did you just paint over a color, basically ruining it for future edits? Or did you professionally use a clipping mask so the color can be changed in 2 seconds? The certification signals you know the right, the more efficient, the professional way to work. So with all of that on the table, let's bring it all home and figure out what this means for you. To answer that, we have to look at it like any other big decision in life. What's the return on your investment? And let's be real, the investment is not nothing. You're talking about a financial cost, sure, but also a serious chunk of time, maybe 150 hours or so. But when you stack that up against the benefits, a higher salary, getting hired faster, building that immediate trust with employers, well, the certification really starts to look like a seriously smart, long-term career move. So, at the end of the day, it's not an either-or choice. The most powerful, most hireable creative professionals have the 1-2 punch. A knockout portfolio that shows off their incredible creative vision, and a certification that proves they have the pro-level technical skills to bring that vision to life. And that leaves us with one final, and I think really important thought. We're entering a world where AI can spit out a pretty good-looking image in just a few seconds. So what's going to become truly valuable? It might just be the proven, verified human expertise to use professional tools with purpose, with efficiency, and with real artistry. Now that is something to think about.